Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita the Creative. Our walk-in closet series continues. Today's video, how to create glam furniture appliques made using beautifully carved wood appliques, silver leaf, and clear crystal glass rhinestones. The appliques are being made in advance to add a decorative element to our large, full-length floor mirror. So stay tuned for that video as part of our walk-in closet series. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box below for more information. We will start by applying a sealer to each applique. If interested in a step-by-step tutorial on applying this treatment, we have a video applying gold leaf. Check the iCard or thumbnail link at the end of this video. Be sure to fill all empty spots. Then allow the silver leaf to cure before applying a final top coat. In planning the configuration of the appliques on the mirror, 2 additional corner appliques were purchased, and one of the large appliques were cut into 3 pieces. The smaller appliques were embellished off camera. This large applique will now go through the same process. Rhinestone strips will be added to the carved markings on the wood. A good name is rather to be chosen than great riches, and loving favor rather than silver and gold. Proverbs 22:1. Special shout out to all new subscribers. So blessed to have you here. We can't wait to share the completion of the closet mirror in the next video as we continue our Walk in Closet series.